Welcome back to Kodemine. Karrie here. So in this video we will talk about how we can install Skype into a Linux system. Currently I am using Linux 16.04 LTS version and I am trying to install Skype into my system, right? So first command is wget and we need to download .deb file from that go.skype.com, and after that we have to run that command. So I will run this command, right? So it's downloading now, so it will take a few moments to get downloaded. So you guys can see it's around about 100 MB or 150 plus MB sort of downloading you need. And after download we just need to execute that file by this command, correct? And sudo apt install, then the file you have downloaded, correct? Then press enter and it is asking for sudo password, right? So I am entering my password. So it is installing now. So you guys can see now it's consuming 303 MB additional disk space for installation, and we will see that whether our Skype is installed into Ubuntu or not. So just wait for a while, and meanwhile if you guys are new on our channel, we are from a Kodemine family. Time to time we are coming up with the very exciting video, educational video related to the technologies, and I want you guys to please subscribe my channel for the upcoming video. So you guys can see here in my screen that my Skype has been installed, and we will see that whether we can use it or not. So you guys can see here the Skype is now available. So I am clicking on that and Skype is available right now. So you guys can simply follow these two simple methods and you can install into that. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, kindly please share, subscribe our channel, share with your friends, family, and build a very good community, right? Thank you so much. Have a very good day.